welcome to another edition of Friday Fastbacks. I'm your host, Josh Kerbach, and today is the first of a multi-part series about customer service here at Original One. If you've tried us out already, I bet you would agree. Our customer service is superior, second to none. If you haven't tried us out yet, I hope that you will. You won't be disappointed. Well, if you'll stay tuned for just a second, I'd love for you to get to know some of the faces that belong to the names that you hear on the other end of the line whenever you call Original One. Well, everyone, thanks for joining us. I assure you, they're just as entertaining in person as they are on the phone, and they really do care about your business. So thanks again for joining us today, and remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the Original One.